Ladies and gentlemen, planning a cruise getaway? Avoid potential disasters with these essential tips. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned traveler, steer clear of these common pitfalls to ensure smooth sailing. First off, don't rush into booking the first cruise deal you find. Take your time to research cruise lines, itineraries, and ship amenities to find the perfect fit for your preferences and budget. Next, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before booking. Pay attention to cancellation policies, gratuity charges, and port fees to avoid unexpected expenses. When it comes to packing, resist the temptation to bring your entire wardrobe. Pack light and smart with versatile clothing options to maximize space in your cabin. Don't forget to pack seasickness prevention remedies. Whether it's motion sickness medication, wristbands, or patches, be prepared to alleviate discomfort on board. Protect your investment by getting travel insurance. Coverage for trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage can save you from financial woes in case of unforeseen circumstances. Make sure to arrive at the port with ample time to spare. Delays in transportation or unforeseen traffic can cause you to miss the ship's departure. Attend mandatory safety drills and familiarize yourself with emergency procedures. Knowing what to do in case of an emergency can save lives. Budget wisely and resist the urge to overspend on extras like shore excursions, specialty dining, and onboard activities. Stick to your budget to avoid post-cruise financial regrets. Be prepared for rough seas, especially if you're prone to motion sickness. Stay hydrated, avoid heavy meals, and seek fresh air if you start feeling queasy. Respect local customs and etiquette when visiting ports of call.